Hello, my YouTube followers. I just wanted to tell you about this YouTube hack that I found about growing in a greenhouse and not a lot of pollination happening with the doors closed. Anyways, solution: vibrating toothbrush. Supposedly, you can self-pollinate or hand-pollinate a flower if you give it a buzz. Some people do the shake method or maybe a tap, but let me see if I can show you a little bit of graphics on here. You can see there is a flower right here, and whenever you just give a little vibrate, you'll see a little bit of pollen come out. And right there, I don't know if you saw that, but I've been doing it since I got this toothbrush, and I'm finding that I'm getting a lot more yield, not a lot of flowers dropping off, and it seems to be working. Look how amazing it grows inside this polytunnel with the temperature is always stable. See if I can get a little bit of, I don't know if you can see that. See if I can zoom in on this. Kind of hard to do it with my phone. Oh, look at that little ladybug. Perfect. Little friend over here. Well, some bugs do get in, but I suppose they're not all bad. Let me show you the things that I've been doing. So I've been doing that, and look what I've been getting. Check out this beefsteak tomato. That's one of my worries, is that I wasn't going to be able to get enough bees in here. So what I've been doing, there's another brand of tomato. Seems to be a lot on each branch, but like I said, all you gotta do is give it a little bit of a vibration, and pollen comes out from the flower. And I guess each flower is a male and a female, so it can self-pollinate through the wind. So I'm just mimicking a bee and just forcing them to flower up and take fruit. Well, I'll give you another update on how this goes. But if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. And see you on the next video.